Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to eat this what is this pineapple? This pineapple in my local language we call it kiwom. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And this is a local 100% organic king chili. And here is the piece of this pineapple, and we have two, and this one is three, and this is one pineapple, and total is three pineapple. Today we are going to eat, and like whether I can complete all or not. If I'm complete, then it's okay, but if I'm not also, like, let's see. Please support to these channels and always try not to miss the video when I upload. And so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So let's do it. First, let's try this one. For the first bite, here comes first bite. Yeah, it's juicy and it's very sweet like sugar. It's sweet like honey. Here is another one. Okay, it's quite good. Haha. It's very juicy, and it was quite good, and the taste is like honey. The smell is like honey, and the taste is like sugar. Okay, let's try this one again. Spicy, spicy, spicy. Finish, and I'm not going to eat this one because like if I eat too much then later I'll suffer something, so I'm not going to eat this anymore. So guys, I hope you guys watching this video and tong video ra lo mo to ko thai hay ko ma tao ai tu lo kan tuai kan thang ma hay bung tu la khe tu tu ai lang the lo ke re no lang ma ni kom ni hay tu lo mo kha loi mi su kho hay ko ma na ni re na jian mai de no kung ka me tong like kan ni subscribe button de nim lo pu ko man cái mà cái free nó là chỉ là bà may cũng sẽ đi hàng thôn nó thì tụng niềm lâu mình tại hàng thôn cung hạng mấy thế là nó thế cái sẽ cái phút số cùng mình thế nó nhiều lùng đi là bắt chặt niềm lâu mình tại cái heo nó bằng thế cơ mà anh em ruộng mình toàn là ra mình toàn hay sẽ nó đi đấy theo khó cơ mà đấy theo một cái content đi rồi mình xem cái này theo họ xem ngâm mà bấm đồng ấy cơ mà dễ rồi nên toàn sport này là cái heo nó bằng thế cơ mà riêng mùa này là riêng cái đuôi là thô mà riêng là bấm bằng ngoài ní riêng lội là bột thô mà next videoเขาส่งกันมีวิดีโอนี่พูดมาเป็นอะไรก็มาลมก้อยไม่เลยนะกระไม่เลยนะตอนสับนะตัวเป็นภูเขาอะไรอย่างเงี้ยนะครับทุกสาวก่อนพังเป็นอะไรก็มาข้าศึกนะข้าเราบดthôแต่ next video วันนี้แล้วก็ guys see you again in the next video and stay safe all and bye bye